Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect FXTM to TradingView in 2026. In order to do it, first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for tradingview.com. When you are here on TradingView, simply just log in into your account with the help of your email address if you haven't already. Now click on the option of this search icon here on the top. From this particular list, you just have to launch any of the charts in front of you. For example, let's say I've launched the chart of BTC. So when you are here on this chart page, simply click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Now click on the option of show all brokers. It is going to show you the list of all of the brokers which can be easily connected with TradingView. Now since we want to look for FXTM, you can either just take a look at its icon over here in this list, or you can also use the search bar on the top right hand corner. When you type FXTM, if you are able to find its icon here, you just have to click on that and click on the option of connect. But as you can see, there is nothing that icon available of FXTM. It simply means that you can't actually connect the FXTM broker with your TradingView account as of right now. So in this situation, you can open a new tab, then you can search for fxtm.com. Once you are here, click on the option of login on the top. Afterwards, you need to provide your login credentials associated with your FXTM account. So when you log in, you can use TradingView for analyzing the chart. When you are able to find the trade, you can basically punch your orders here inside your FXTM account. So this way you will be able to use TradingView and FXTM together. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.